Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you on a full ride in 4K 60 on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to enable notifications every time we go live or have a new video. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. And I also want to remind you to leave a like and a comment, as that really does help the video when you do that. And we're using our new GoPro Hero 7 Black, so let me know how the quality is and let me know what you think of the new video. I love the queue for this attraction. It's so detailed and just so beautiful, especially on a perfectly clear day like this. And as we walk through the queue here, I want to remind everyone to set your quality to 4K 60 frames per second. That's 2160p if you look in the settings. That will give you the best possible picture. And we hope everyone enjoys the ride.
Y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Cuide a sus pequeños. Muchas gracias. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, then you're welcome, because this is the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Well, that's all for now for this ride on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in 4K 60. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And finally, as we look at this amazing geyser here, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, be sure to check out WindowRepairParts.us and use coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase at WindowRepairParts.us. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.